Hello, good afternoon. My name is Gracia, grade 3 from Delta class. I want to show you marble run. This is the marble. Let's go, we play it. Okay, already finished. Bye.